everyone, welcome to Pabbly. So in this video we are going to learn how to create a WhatsApp chatbot for shop fitting contractor business. So if you are also running a shop fitting contractor business, then this video is definitely for you. So in this video, firstly we are going to create a WhatsApp chatbot using Pabbly Chatflow. Now if a user will send a message, an automatic reply will be sent to them. So this chatbot is going to project code, share measurement and schedule visit sites for your customers. So let's dive into my screen for creating your own WhatsApp chatbot. Welcome to my screen. So in this video we are going to learn how to create a WhatsApp chatbot for your shop fitting contractor business. So this chatbot is going to project code, share measurement and schedule visits, and this chatbot is going to save your time by reducing your manual work and help you to stay connected with your customers 24/7. So let's start building your own WhatsApp chatbot for your business. But firstly I am going to show you how exactly a chatbot works. For that, let's dive into my WhatsApp with me. Here you can see I have already opened my WhatsApp, and now I am going to send a message to the number which I have already connected to my Pabbly Chatflow account. Here it is named as XYZ Shop Fitting Contractor. Here you can see I am going to enter a message hello. Here you can see as I have entered the message, I am getting an automated welcome message that is hello, welcome to XYZ Shop Fitters, expert in shop fitting solution. How can we assist you today? And here we are getting three buttons, that is get project code, share measurement and schedule visit. So now let's click on get project code and see what will happen. As I'm selecting get project code, I am getting a message which is asking me for some of the details, that is what type of shop is this for, their location and what kind of work I need. So now let's enter these details here. After providing these details, I am getting a message that is thank you, our team will send you a custom code soon. Now let's enroll to our next button, that is share measurement. As I'm selecting share measurement, here it is asking me to enter the shop's dimension in the format that is length into width into height. So now let's enter the dimension of our shop here. Here you can see as I have entered a dummy dimension, here I am getting a message that is got it, thanks for your measurement. This helps us design your layout more accurately. Now let's enroll to our third button, that is schedule visit. As I am clicking on schedule visit, I am getting a message which is asking me for some of the details, that is full name, phone number, shop address and preferred date and time. So now let's enter these details here and book a free site consultation. Here you can see as I have provided these details, I have got a thank you message. So here you can see we are having a fully functional chatbot, and I have created this chatbot using Pabbly Chatflow. So you can also create a chatbot like this for your business by using Pabbly Chatflow. For that, you just have to type its URL. That is www.pabbly.com/chatflow. Once you will enter the URL, you will get the landing page of Pabbly, and here you can see we are getting two buttons, that is sign in and sign up free. If you are a new user, you can just click on sign up free, but if you are an existing user, you can click on sign in. But as I have already an account on Pabbly, I will just click on sign in. Once you finish your sign up, you will get this all Pabbly apps page, and here you can see these are the apps provided by Pabbly. You can access any of these apps according to you, but for creating a chatbot, we just need to access Pabbly Chatflow app. In this Pabbly Chatflow app, here you can see we are getting two buttons, that is access now and learn more. For accessing the Pabbly Chatflow, we just have to click on access now. Once you will click on access now, you will get this dashboard page of Pabbly, and here you can see this is the number I have connected to my Pabbly Chatflow account. You can also add your WhatsApp number by just clicking on add WhatsApp number, and here on this add WhatsApp number button we are getting two options, that is WhatsApp Connect and Manual Token Connect. If you want to integrate your WhatsApp number, you can click on WhatsApp Connect, but if you want to connect with token number, you can just click on Manual Token Connect. Now moving on further, here we are getting the option for create a new folder. If you want to create your own folder, you can click here. Now moving on to the sidebar, here we can see these are the features provided by Pabbly. Now I am going to give you a short overview of these features. So the first feature we are getting is inbox. This is the section where we receive messages from our customer and we send them automated replies. Now the next feature we are getting is contacts. You can manage your contact list here. Now another one we are getting is team queues. You can manage your team access for managing your chatbot. Now next feature we are getting is templates. You can create your own templates from here. Now another feature we are getting is broadcast. If you want to broadcast you any message on a preferred date or time, you can click here. Now the next feature we are getting is flows. So this one is the most important feature for creating the chatbot. So flows are basically the path which our WhatsApp chatbot follows. Now moving on further, here we are getting the AI assistant. So you can create your own AI assistant from here. Now the next feature we are getting is activity log. The work done by you will be shown here. Now moving on further, here we are getting settings. You can manage your settings according to you from here. Now the last one we are getting is get help. If you need any type of help or support, you can click here. If you want to learn more about these features, you can find the video link in the description given below. Now let's start creating our WhatsApp chatbot. For that, we just have to access flows. So just click on flows here. Once you will click on flows, you will get this flow builder page, and here you can see these are the flows created by me. You can also add or create your own flow. For that you just have to click on add flow button. Once you will click on add flow button, you will get this flow page, and here you can see we are getting the flow start node, and here on this flow start node it is asking me to enter the keywords, enter the regex, or to choose the template. So keywords are basically the triggers which a user can enter for the interaction with this chatbot. Now the next one we are getting is regex. So regex are basically the short form for the regular expressions. These are used for the specific user input. But if you want to trigger any message, you can enter regex like this. Now here we are getting the option for choose template. If you want to add template to your message, you can choose templates from here. Now here you can see we are getting the option for entering the flow name. So you can provide a name to your flow here. Here I am providing it the name WhatsApp chatbot for shop fitter contractor business. You can provide name according to you. Now if a user sends me a message, I want to send them a welcome message. For that I will just drag and drop, and here you can see we are getting the option for text plus button, media, list, single product message, multi-product message, and templates. Now for entering a message, we just have to click on text plus button. Once you will click on text plus button, you will get this message node, and here you can enter the message you want to send to your customer. So now let's enter a message here. Here you can see I have entered a message for my customer, and I have entered this name XYZ shop fitters between these asterisk signs to make it bold. Now I am going to add some buttons. So you can see here we are getting the option for add button. So just click here, and here it is asking me to enter the text of my button. So now let's enter the text of our first button, that is get project code. Now we can create more buttons like this. So just click on add button and enter the text of your second button now. So you can see I have created even my second button. Now I am going to create one more button. So just click on add button and enter the text of your third button. So I have created even my third button, that is schedule visit. So here you can see I have entered a welcome message for my customer and created 3 buttons in this message node. Now if the user clicks on get project code, I want to ask them about the details of the shop. For that you just have to go to actions, and here you can see we are getting the option for ask question. Once you will click on ask question, you will get this question node, and here you can enter the question or the message you want to ask from your customer. Now let's connect this get project code button with this question node, and here we are going to enter the message or the question we want to ask from our customers. Here you can see I have entered a question asking for the type of shop, location, and the kind of work my customer needs. Now here it is asking me to select contact custom fields. So here you can see these are the contact custom fields created by me. You can also create your own contact custom fields. For that you just have to go to settings, and here you can see we are getting the option for contact custom fields. So just click here and create your own fields. Now I am going to select contact custom field as description here, and the format I am going to select is any. Now if the user provide these details, I want to send them a thank you message. So I have already told you that for entering a message we have to select text plus button. So just select it, and here we are going to enter the thank you message. So here I have entered this thank you message. So now let's enhance our share measurement button. For that I am going to ask about the measurement details. So just click on ask question and enter your question asking for the shop measurement on this question node. Here you can see I have entered a message asking for the shop dimension in this question node. Now let's connect this share measurement button with this question node. In the contact custom fields I am going to select as measurement, and its format would be any. Now if the user provides shop dimension, I want to send them a thank you message. For that just drag and drop and select text plus button. Now let's enter the message here. Here I have entered this thank you message for my customer. Now let's enhance our schedule visit button for our customers. Firstly I am going to ask about their details. So just go to actions and select ask question, and here enter the question asking for the details of your customers. Now let's connect this schedule visit button with this question node. Now let's enter our question here. Here you can see I have entered the question asking for the full name, phone number, shop address, preferred date and time, and now I am going to select contact custom field as details here, and the format I am going to select is any. Now if the user provide the answer to this question, I am going to send a thank you message to them. So just drag and drop and select text plus button for entering the message. So here you can see I have entered thank you or the confirmation message for my customer that team will contact them shortly to confirm the appointment. So here you can see we have successfully created our flow for the chatbot. So you can also create a flow like this for your shop fitter contractor business for creating a chatbot. Now for saving this flow, you just have to click on save button. Once you will click on save button, you will get this pop-up that is flow updated successfully, means you have successfully saved your flow. Now for showing you how we are receiving messages from our customer and how we are sending him the automated reply, let me take you towards my inbox section. For that you just have to click on inbox. Once you will click on inbox, this inbox section will appear, and here you can see these are the numbers I have connected to my account. Now on the
the chat of this number, you can see I am successfully receiving message from my customer and our automated replies are successfully sent or delivered to them. And here one point is to be noted that it is following the path which we have created through our flow. Means if a user sends me a message, I will send them a welcome message. Now if a user select get project code, I am going to ask about the shop details, and if the user enter these shop details, I am going to send them a thank you message. So here you can see we have created a fully functional chatbot using Pabbly Chatflow. So you can also create a chatbot like this for your business by using Pabbly Chatflow. So stay tuned to our YouTube channel for learning more about Pabbly and creating more chatbots like this. Thank you for watching this video.
So you can create many more chatbots like this by using Pabbly Chatflow. Now if you have any doubt, you can mail us at support@pabbly.com, and if you have any queries, you can write it on forums.pabbly.com. But if you have any pricing related issue, then you can visit the URL given over here. So start using Pabbly Chatflow for free now.